together, and they all have the ability to design a future that
NGL experience has been all about meeting the most amazing young leaders from around the world. I've gotten to work with everyone, get to know everyone.
As we designed the applications, and we were looking for the most innovative, creative leaders in different countries around the world.
My NGL experience is one that has been locally embedded but globally relevant, where all of us from various corners of the world have come together, shared our knowledge, our experiences, and our ideas and hopes of possibility.
Working with bright minds across the globe to see the kind of changes they are making and seeing the extent at which small actions can go to impact community. It's really been something that has been exciting for me on this journey.
My experience has been transformational.
NGL has been a transformative experience.
Transformative.
transformative, being able to work on projects across the globe and having impacts from a very small island in Western Europe in a wider context has been incredible.
I've made connections that are meaningful to me, not just with the NGL alumni, but with the Talloires Network, with the Mastercard Foundation, with some of the partners we worked with as well.
The role of coaches during this period has been exceptional, as they helped us to maximize our potential to make a positive change in the world.
I had a vision of a project way back in 2017. Apparently, I think it's through NGL experience and the training and the coaches that I have actually actualized it.
That has empowered me to be a change maker in my community, and also while being part of an international network of leaders that share this passion to create a better world.
I think it's been one of the most inspiring space to be in, and to be sharing a space with people who come from different parts of the world, but also are very inspired to make a change, not only in their own lives, but in their communities too.
A better world, less friction, more peace, more acceptance.
The experience has been absolutely incredible. It's been amazing being around like-minded individuals, but also individuals who are willing to challenge your thoughts and your perspectives.
Looking at where I've come from in regard to my relationship with NGL, I feel I've gained a lot of experience and I've been able to achieve great leadership roles.
And as much as COVID tried to stop us, we were able to forge a way forward.
Ukikumbuka, yani tumetoka nchi tofauti tofauti, imekuwa aina njia mzuri ya kuungana na kuleta maendeleo mengi nyumbani kwetu na pia hapa. Na pia nimefurahi sana kuonana na rafiki zangu. Tumekuwa tukionana kwenye Zoom, lakini sasa tumeweza kuonana, tunajua na sura zetu. Ni nafasi nzuri sana.
My experience with NGL has been a lot of, hey, you need to unmute yourself. We can't hear you. Hello? No, unmute yourself. Okay, now we can hear you. It's been a lot of Zoom meetings, debates, alignments, and a lot of optimism.
The NGL experience has honestly been life-changing. I am so grateful to have been part of this program.
So right now, I am equipped with the tools, with the lessons to go back to the community and to cascade these lessons, creating a ripple effect of this program. And then this program has been very inclusive right from the very start.
Youth by Youth es la experiencia más motivacional, trascendental que he vivido, porque después de casi 2 años de entender teóricamente lo que significa democracia, lo que significa el cambio, lo que significa la contaminación, el cambio climático en sí, puedo poner en práctica en la comunidad todo lo que he aprendido y ver resultados y darme cuenta que puedo construir proyectos que se sostienen dentro de la comunidad para expandirlo alrededor de México.
When it comes to For Youth by Youth, ili program it's only like a seed, and this seed is being thrown on a very fertile soil, and all of these NGL leaders are people who are going to harvest whatever is going to come from this seed, and they will nurture it and make sure that it becomes a beautiful garden.
The most important things was for us to select a diversity of voices, a diversity of perspectives, and to try to build a global network of young people who were taking action, using their hands and their brains.
Yo pienso que es importante tener mejores conexiones con las universidades porque creo que es importante que este programa se siga difundiendo y que más personas puedan ser parte de él, sobre todo en nuestro país y en nuestras comunidades.
Dream about what you want the future to be.